If you're taking a class with a final exam but you're not able to be on campus to take it, you'll need to arrange for a proctor, someone official to supervise you while you take your paper and pencil exam on the day that your final is offered on campus. This is how you do that. A great place to start is by querying local junior colleges or universities about their proctoring services. Here are a few examples. Scenario 1. I know I'll be at home working on the date of my finals, so I'll Google Tacoma, Washington 98401 junior colleges. It looks like I can call or explore the website for at least these top 3 results. Tacoma Community College. I'll use the search terms proctor or testing. And luckily, I find a number right away. I'll call them to see if they have any available appointments on the day of my final. They may not schedule my final until they have it in hand, but I'll call to check. Scenario 2. I know I'll still be on my family vacation in Puerto Vallarta on the day of my final, and I'm not sure if there are any junior colleges in the area, or if my Spanish is good enough to call and inquire about what I need. I'll Google Puerto Vallarta educational institutions. I see that the American School of Puerto Vallarta has a .edu website, so I'll check with them first. When I go to the website and look for their contact information, it looks like I can either call or email them. I'll email first, and if I don't hear back in a couple of days, I'll call them. If they don't offer proctoring services, or if one of their administrators isn't willing to supervise my test, I'll have to head back to Google. Scenario 3. I know that I'll be completing an internship in Bridger National Forest on the day that my final is scheduled. Since it's in the middle of nowhere, there aren't any community colleges nearby. The closest thing to an educational institution I may be able to get is an elementary school or a library in a town about an hour away. I'll use a Google map this time and search nearby using the terms library and school. I see that I have a couple options. I'll start calling around. Once you've located a potential proctor, fill out the proctor request form and send it to your program coordinator via emailed attachment. Your program coordinator will work to approve your proctoring choice and email the final exam to your proctor at least one day before your final exam date, but it is your responsibility to make your appointment with your proctor and to contact them for any steps in between.